Hey guys, this is Kelly from Do Less, Profit More. Today, I'm going to cover how to set up your email in your Monday.com CRM so that you can email your potential clients or your clients directly from the Monday.com CRM. You can also see incoming and outgoing messages that are going to your Gmail, but it'll actually be synced with Monday.com, so it shows up on your lead. So you'll be able to see everything right here in Monday.com. And I'm going to show you how to do that integration, as well as a couple of other things. So we're going to get right into the video. If you haven't done so already and you are looking to be more productive with your business or even personal, I strongly encourage you to subscribe for more content just like this. All right, so here we go. So the first thing you want to do is on the lead, you're going to click open, and immediately it's going to take you into the lead. Now, when you first log in, it'll actually be a pop-up box here. So we're going to kind of simulate that, and we're going to go to settings. So when you go to settings, and we're going to go to managed connected accounts. Now I've already connected some emails here, but we're going to connect a new email just so you can see the process. So what you're going to do is you're going to click your Gmail or Outlook if you do Outlook. There's nothing wrong with Outlook. And we're going to use another account. We're going to go ahead and connect. And what it'll do, it'll ask you for any other account that you'd like to connect. All right, so once you have that ready to go, once we've entered the information, it'll ask you to allow. And then we're integrated. Now it may take a few seconds here to get everything going. So now that is integrated and you can actually send emails from that particular email. If you upload multiple accounts, you can choose between which one you want to use. So that's very convenient for you. Okay. So the next area that we're going to go over is logging outgoing emails from your Gmail or Outlook inbox. So you can automatically log all outgoing emails, or you can only log outgoing emails that have this BCC. So you can actually copy the name of, it'll automatically provide an email address for you, and you can just copy that email and make sure you BCC it for emails that you want to be tracked. If you don't want it to be tracked, you wouldn't include this, or you can choose to have all messages automatically tracked. Now, all messages connected with Monday.com accounts, of course, okay? Now, it also has the option to create a new contact if the recipient's email address does not exist in Monday.com. So that's another option for you. Now, I'm not going to go into automations because this could be like a 15-hour video if we go into all the automations. But just know there are some options here that you can do some more advanced stuff with your email. Now, for default sharing, basically you can choose to share with just you or everyone. And now this does not mean that your leadership and your admin won't be able to see this, but your teammates, if you choose just me, they won't be able to see this information unless you choose everyone. Now for email signature, you don't want to have to type your email every single time. So what you want to do is go ahead and create a signature. So you can just like you would normally do, and that signature that you create will go out with every email that you send. Now for your email branding, now depending on which plan you have, this automatically comes in your email, so you can click to remove that, to remove it from your emails, because obviously you don't want a big Monday.com logo coming out of on your emails. And they also have an option to never log. So if there's some emails that you don't want to be tracked, regardless of if they're in your database or not, you can just type those here and they'll kind of blacklist those. So you don't have to worry about those being tracked. So once everything is set up and once everything is ready to go, and obviously not have power.com by .com in there. We can go ahead and set up our email. Now, once you set up an email, you can also save templates. So if you're saving, I really recommend this because if you're sending the same email over and over again, you want to go ahead and save that as a template. So the next time you send an email, it's already there. Okay. You also want to check this box for email tracking just to make sure that your email tracking is on. And this is going to tell you if somebody opened your email, how many times they opened your email, which is very powerful and very useful. Okay. And as I said in another video, all of your information will be tracked here. And you can also click here to see all activity that has happened on the account. So that's going to be really it in setting up your email, and you'll be able to email your clients right here on your Monday.com CRM. It's an amazing platform for CRM. The teams that I'm working with are really enjoying it, and we're still building out. So if you have any questions, if you run across any detailed or advanced automations you have questions about, you can certainly reach out to my team at dolessprofitmore.com, or you can just leave a comment and I'll try to do a video on your specific question. So hopefully this was helpful. Again, I look forward to doing another video very soon to help you be more productive and get out there and make that money. All right, guys, I'll see you next time in the next video. Peace.